In today's video, I'll guide you on how you would be able to fix video playback lag on Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So I have this sample right here. So now if you're lagging when you are playing the video here in Premiere Pro, is that you just simply need to go here into this menu right here where you can choose the quality of the preview. So if you're really lagging, then you can go for 1/4, and then that should improve the playback. If not, then you can go even lower, like 1/8 if it's available, or 1/16 if it's available right here. So you can go for the lowest possible if you would want the smoothest playback. So let's say 1/8, and then when you play it back, it should now be smooth when playing it back. Now, if it is still lagging, even if you have done this, then chances are it's that you have a red indication, just like this one right here. This one is yellow, but if it's red, then that means you would need to render it first in order for you to be able to play it back smoothly. So how do you do that? Simple. First is that you want to go into the part where you are lagging in playback. Like for example, I'm going to go here and then press I, so that would be the in point, and then go into the point where the lagging ends. So let's say here is about where it ends, so I'm gonna go there. And now we have the in and out point. Next is that we want to go into the settings. Now you want to go into render effects into out, or even better is render into out. And it will now render all the frames in this specific into out section. And as you can see, we now have green, which means it's all good to go. And now once you play it back, it should now be all smooth. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.